Unit 23, come in 23. Do you need me out there? Do you need my assistance?
Hello friends, Nate Patton over here at Bill Harris Auto in Ashland. I have some good news. For the past 3 weeks, we've been trying to make a video on the 2024 Trax, but fortunately and unfortunately, every single one we've gotten in has been sold within the hour. This one, in particular, is also a sold order, but because of the rain, we have an opportunity to make a video on it. My ultimate favorite feature about these new Traxes, and this one in particular, is that they are incredibly affordable. For a brand new 2024 vehicle, this one in particular is $21,535. That's an incredible value for a brand new 2024 Chevrolet.
Give me a liter of cola.
Now, the common misconception of the amazing value and the affordability of it is that it might not have every feature that we all know and love. But for me, and I can tell you with confidence, that this vehicle, it's not a liter of cola, it's a 1.2 liter turbo of pure power. This thing goes fast, and I like to go fast.
A liter of cola.
Liter of cola? Do we make liter of cola?
Now, some awesome news is that in a couple months, I myself will be buying one of these, and the main reason why is because even though it's so affordable, you don't really lose anything. It has incredibly comfortable seats, and one of my favorite features, wireless Apple CarPlay. I hate plugging in my phone, and I love that feature. Just like the super popular Chevrolet Trailblazer, this one is also a hidden ninja. Smaller on the outside, bigger on the inside. The rear trunk space is huge.
You mean shenanigans?
If you or anyone you know is looking to take advantage of the opportunity of securing one of these vehicles before they arrive, please reach out to 419-289-2000. Ask for the GM sales team. I know where I'll be taking my first trip when I get mine, and that would be Shenanigans.
Oh.